Let's do quickly a brief introduction about animal classification. Detailed animal classification we'll definitely cover separately. Now when we are classifying animals, we classify those under either those which do not have a backbone versus those which have a backbone. So those which have a backbone are known as vertebrates, and those which do not have a bone are called as invertebrates. Now within these vertebrates, we have the 5 important classes that we discussed. Among these, some of the important ones are mammals. Human beings are mammals, right? And we give birth directly to young ones. However, when we talk about birds, fishes and reptiles, they lay eggs. Amphibians as well, they lay eggs. Now, sometimes some of the reptiles give birth to young ones, but that's an exception. Reptiles have scales on their body. Also, we have fishes that have scales on their body. Very, very important to note. Birds have a capability to fly in air, so they have wings. Not only that, these wings have feathers, but these birds also have hollow bones, so that they are able to fly easily. As we already say, birds lay egg. Birds are warm-blooded. Now, which of them are warm-blooded? Birds and mammals are warm-blooded. However, that means they can adjust themselves to the temperature changing. Reptiles, amphibians and fishes are cold-blooded. Reptiles have scales on their body, they have dry skin, and the idea of scales is to protect themselves from external threat. They don't have any fur. Mammals would either have hair or fur. Again important. Amphibians are